Hello dear MondfX followers. One of the most important aspects of any trading strategy is its risk to reward ratio, or simply how profitable your trading strategy really is. In this video, we are going to teach you how to evaluate your trading strategy using risk to reward calculator on MondfX website. First, go to MondfX website and from the Sites menu, click on the Risk to Reward Calculator option. Now, in this section, you can enter the risk to reward ratio for your trades to calculate the minimum win rate required for your strategy to be profitable. This number will tell you the minimum probability of success your trades must have to avoid negative results. For example, if I enter a risk-to-reward ratio of 2, the calculator will tell me that my trades must have a win rate higher than 33.3% in order to achieve a positive outcome. At the bottom of the calculator, you can enter the win rate of your trades to calculate the minimum risk-to-reward ratio required for profitability. This number will show you the minimum risk-to-reward ratio your trades must have to avoid negative results. For example, if I enter a 60% win rate, the calculator will tell me that the risk-to-reward ratio must be greater than 0.67 for my trades to be profitable. This means that if my strategy has a 60% win rate, my risk-to-reward ratio should be greater than 0.67. By using this tool, you can evaluate your trading strategies more accurately. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, the MondfX support team is always ready to assist you. Wishing you success and profitability.